This is the sixth customer service representative role posted by Concentrix, and this is a 100% remote role. The caveat is that it is for Ultimate Medical Academy grads only. And this is with a established organization. You'll be joining a diverse team from over 70 plus countries. And you'll be taking inbound customer support calls. Again, you have to be a Ultimate Medical Academy graduate. They're preferably, they are required in terms of what they're specifically looking for is a recent grad with 1+ year of customer service experience. And the pay range hourly is $15 to $18 per hour. Full health and wellness benefits, so medical, dental, and vision insurance, paid PTO and holidays with a 401k company match. And if you're looking for support to land your dream remote work job, we'd be happy to help you out. Take a look at the link